Hey everyone, is your car shifting gears strangely or is it stuck in one gear? Maybe you're seeing the check engine light and your scan tool pulled up code P0860 transmission control module communication circuit malfunction. This code means your car's transmission control module isn't properly communicating with the powertrain control module. That can lead to harsh shifts, transmission slipping, or even complete failure to change gears. But don't worry. In this video I'll explain what P0860 means, the symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where the key sensors are located so you can fix it fast. Let's get started. What is P0860? The P0860 trouble code appears when the PCM detects a problem in the communication circuit with the transmission control module. This means signals aren't being sent correctly between the TCM and PCM, which can cause major transmission issues. Common symptoms of P0860: check engine light or transmission warning light, hard shifting or slipping gears stuck in one gear, also known as limp mode, delayed acceleration or jerky gear changes, and poor fuel economy. Now let's talk about the sensor locations so you can diagnose and fix this issue properly. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0860, check these key components. Transmission control module. Location. Usually mounted inside or on the side of the transmission. Function. Controls gear shifts and manages transmission performance. Powertrain control module. Location. Usually found in the engine bay or near the firewall. Function. Communicates with the TCM and manages overall engine and transmission performance. Transmission range sensor. Location. Near the transmission shifter linkage or inside the transmission. Function. Detects gear position and sends signals to the TCM. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Location. Runs between the TCM, PCM, and various transmission components. Function. Transfers data and electrical signals for smooth gear shifts. Battery and ground connections. Location. Battery terminals and ground straps near the engine or chassis. Function. Ensures stable voltage supply for module communication. Common causes of P0860: faulty transmission control module. A damaged or malfunctioning TCM may not communicate properly with the PCM. Wiring issues. Loose, corroded, or shorted wiring in the TCM-PCM communication circuit can disrupt signals. Bad powertrain control module. Rare case. If the PCM fails, it may stop processing TCM signals. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty fluid can cause internal failures, affecting communication circuits. Weak battery or poor ground connection. Voltage fluctuations can cause erratic TCM communication. How to fix P0860. Step 1. Check for loose wiring and connectors. Inspect all connections between the TCM and PCM for corrosion or damage. Step 2. Test battery voltage and ground connections. Ensure the battery provides stable power. Step 3. Scan the TCM for additional fault codes. Other codes may point to internal TCM failure. Step 4. Check transmission fluid condition. If it's dirty or low, change it and check for metal debris. Step 5. Reset the PCM and TCM. Disconnect the battery for 10 minutes, then reconnect and test. Step 6. If necessary, replace the TCM or PCM. If all else fails, module replacement may be required. Final words: the P0860 trouble code means a communication failure between the transmission control module and the powertrain control module. By checking the wiring, battery connections, and fluid levels, you can fix this issue before it causes major transmission problems. Watch these related videos next. P0586. Cruise control vent control circuit low. P0587. Cruise control vent control circuit open. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.